Equity is the difference between what your home is worth and how much you owe on your mortgage. It's a powerful aspect of home ownership. It's crucial because it can be leveraged for loans, improve financial stability, and it grows over time, offering a pathway to build wealth. The typical American homeowner has about $200,000 in home equity. That's a significant chunk of change representing financial security and investment potential. Increasing your home's value and paying down your mortgage debt are key ways to build equity. It's like a savings account that grows with time. You can tap into your home equity for renovations, paying off debt, or even to purchase another property. But remember, it's important to use it wisely. If you'd like to find out how much equity you currently have in your home or like to explore your options on how to leverage that equity, please feel free to reach out. I look forward to chatting with you.